Hello everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today, we'll be talking about something that affects us all, heart health.
Tomatoes contain lycopene, an antioxidant. They also help improve cholesterol balance.
Welcome to our guide on the best foods for heart health. Eating healthy is essential for a strong heart. Include leafy greens in your diet, like spinach and kale. Don't forget about whole grains, such as oats and brown rice. Incorporate healthy fats from sources like avocados and nuts. Fish rich in omega-3 fatty acids, like salmon, are great choices. Finally, add beans and legumes for protein and fiber.